Today I'm gonna show you my gorgeous ride, the Honda CBR 600 F4i, and we will take it for a spin together. I'll tell you what to look for when checking out a bike, share a few quick tips. This is the Honda CBR 600 F4i. The purple color, it was love at first sight. The engine is an inline-4, around 110 horsepower, and it's incredibly smooth and flexible. Here is the dash. It's a bit old school, but super easy to read, even in sunlight. The plastics on the F4i are known to be tough, but always check the mounting points to make sure everything's snug and nothing rattling. Quick tip: if you want the paint on your tank to keep it shine, use a polish with UV protection, especially if you store your bike outdoors. I mean, beauty really is serious business. The riding position on the F4i is somewhere between sporty and everyday comfort. It's not as aggressive as a pure sport bike, but you're still leaning forward a bit. If you ride daily, definitely pay attention to seat height. For my height, I'm 160 centimeters. It's totally comfortable. Before every ride, I always check the fluid levels in the reservoirs, the condition of the brake discs, if the clutch level has end play, and of course the lights, because seeing and being seen is a must. Seriously, guys and girls, riding without lights, you're basically a ninja, and that's not cool. That sound is legalized adrenaline. At low revs, this bike is super smooth. You can cruise around town nice and easy, but the moment you open up the throttle, hold on tight, because it's out of this world. The suspension is pretty stiff, so it's better to dodge potholes if you can. The brakes are awesome. Even after all these years, they're still sharp and responsive. So, the Honda CBR 600 F4i is a great choice if you're looking for both thrills and daily comfort. It still looks modern and delivers tons of emotions. Friends, a motorcycle is freedom and pure joy, but it demands respect and care. Always stay alert on the road, and remember, true speed is where you have time to enjoy the moment. Take care and see you out in the next video. Bye bye!